I've been working on a very special 2D animated film for my graduation project. By the time that you see this video, I would have already graduated from school, but I still wanted to be able to share my animation with you all, as I spent quite a lot of time complaining about it over the course of the semester. And with that said, I hope that you enjoy it, and I would love to hear your feedback overall. Now, this essentially was a one-man show, and sadly I didn't have a team, but I would love to hear what you think either way. So with that said, let's dive in.
Who would you like to bet on?
Well, it's finally my turn.
What?
I want him. That good?
Oh, thank you. That is quite the sum. And go!
Yeah!
Whoa! Winner!
You tell that filthy orc he owes me money!
Huh? That's so cool.
Oh, do you now?
Winner!
Screw this! Come on! Let's go home! What the hell are you doing? Are you trying to burn him, moron? Get back over here! Your mom's gonna hear all about it! Did you just... so that little magician brainwashed you! You! Trying to hurt my family, you little magic weaver?
Dad, watch out! Stop!
Did he just hurt a little kid?
Come, I'll help you up.
Oh, no. It's starting to look pretty bad right now. It's gonna ruin my reputation. I have to think of something quickly.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have involved you like this. It's just a silly little street fight after all. Want to help me settle the score?
Better let go of that little boy, you filthy drunk.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, throw me. You leave my dad alone.
Rat! I never said you can go back to him.
Him! He's the real winner!
You did it!
Now, hold on just a second.
Huh?
Look at the pub. You're gonna pay for all this?
Huh?
Oh no.
Oh, ew.
I can't feel my brain.
Whoa. Ew, Dad, that's disgusting.
Ew! Seriously?
Still thinking about your dad?
It's something like that, but mostly how we will return home after so long.
Well, if you want to see everyone, let's get going. I have people I want to see too, you know.
Right.
So, we're off?
Yeah. To the land of sunsets again. And I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to thank my composer for producing such a beautiful track for this animation. I would also like to thank the voice actors who performed admirably, and special thanks to my professors who helped guide me in the right direction. And this was a project that took 3.5 months of work, almost 10 to 12 hours per day, and hopefully I will be able to realize this concept into a full story at some point. And with that said, if you're interested in learning more about the animation process or which tools I used in order to make all of this, then do make sure to let me know, and I would be happy to make more videos on that subject as well. And with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this very brief presentation. I know that it wasn't tech related, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you all later, back to a regularly scheduled program moving forward. So, have a good one.